Is that a big, huge mirror? We're taking that out. In. Yes. I like the squashed steering wheel. Let's get the door panel off. That's what we used. Got up in the corner right here, but it might be easier to grab a hook tool like such and come from the top. But either way, a couple snap clips. Got it? Good. Let's get the 7s out, and those look like 8s. Uh-oh, found another one. And I do appreciate how Ford is changing their sizes. 2 8s, 2 7s I took out from the bottom, which are right here. And behind door number 1, to just pull, pull, pull. We're gonna get this screw out. Look at this. One clip, a guide, and whatever that is. Well, the other clip's over here. Popped really right out with no problems. Now this is like the exploder I did. Let me get this off and I'll show you how to get this thing out. Now with this weird angle that I have the doors pretty much in my lap. See? Gotta push this in. This is like the exploder I did. Look, comes right up. This little guide goes in and snaps right back in. Got it? Good. Push, pull. Push, pull. Blindly. Push, pull. Push, pull. You got the idea. So because it's Ford, you have this to pull out. Will it be nice? Probably not. It is just about 80 degrees out and it still gives me problems. Oh look, we have another one. So we have some more. Is that glue? You gotta be kidding me, dude. Yeah, that's glue. Oh my god. Some adhesive, that's what we're pulling off just to get to the mirror. Look at this. Unbelievable. We got another one right there. Let's get it out because we gotta get this trim off. So now we got it out. It's right there. The plastic pulls out towards you. Like, see? Now, of course they make you pull this out. Of course. Safety out, center in, and then you pull out. And of course this is going to come with it. Of course. So let's get this out of our way. Back to taking it apart. See, it goes around. This pressure fit. How kind. We have tape. We have duct tape as our don't see our bolts. Look at this. How nice. Put them in a safe spot. Now if you're as careful as me, see how the bolt is still there? Make sure it stays there because we can get it with this. So we don't lose it in the door. We don't want to lose it in the door. See? We're going to do the same thing over here and that one. 3 is not enough. We have 4. So let's get this guy out. Obviously, this holds it in place. So this huge, overly priced, big monstrosity. That is the part number. This is what's holding you up. Be careful. I was able to just weasel it with obviously both hands because this thing's pretty heavy and get it from under the body. I'll show you. As you align everything up, this is what's holding you up. I can't even show you because I got one hand holding the mirror. It's literally this top part. So it's hitting and we want to push it in. And that prevents it from falling there. There it is right there. And then get the bolts back. Both hands, please. Now the trick is do it by hand. started first. And then we hit the last one. Don't forget to put the gaff tape back. That's what it looks like, actually. Gaff tape, not duct tape. Yeah. Like we were never here. Good? Good. Trick is with this, make sure it bends enough to get around and push it up. Gaff tape back, put everything back together by just straightening it out. Got it? You see? Just pressure. Just pressure. Get this? Like we were never here. Got it? Good. Like it? Don't like it? Share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.